Advance. Meaning. Advance means to move forward or make progress in some way, whether in terms of time, position, or development. Definition. Advance is a verb that refers to the action of moving ahead or progressing in a particular area, such as in a career, knowledge, or physical location. It can also be used as a noun to refer to a forward movement or improvement. Examples in sentences. 1. She decided to advance her career by enrolling in an advanced course. Here, advance means to improve or move forward in her career. 2. The army advanced toward the enemy's position with caution. In this sentence, advance refers to the forward movement of the army toward the enemy. Usage. Advance is commonly used in both professional and personal contexts, referring to progress, improvements, or actions that move something forward in terms of time or achievement.
English practice.